In this video, I can maybe you will be in a video, but maybe not in this contest video because I give you the channel in a minute. We are at the Bagoong Festival 2025. As every year, that was held in March in Lingayen, the capital of the Philippine province of Pangasinan. We are still on the opening day of the Bagoong Festival, day 1, and we have already published a video about the opening ceremony, a holy mass, a cooking competition and other things, and in the early morning there was already a motorcade in the streets of Lingayen. And in the afternoon, we attended this guided tour to a Bagoong factory. And in this video, we will show you what we experienced there. We learned a lot there, we saw many things, it was very enlightening, and we want to share our experiences with you. There was a bus transfer to the factory, and we also already published a video about the very funny bus ride that we had.
It's a very funny bus ride.
And you find all the links to the other events that have already been published by us in the description of this video.
Why 231? I want a video.
Okay, yeah.
Maybe somebody can just hold this and film the two of us while we are standing in front of the Bagoong. You don't only hold it and have the two of us and the Bagoong in the something like this. Yeah.
Okay. Picture ba? Okay na.
Okay, salamat.
The tour took us to Bagoong factory, named by Melandro Molano, the founder and still the owner of this company. We will meet him later, who established this business in 1985, so this year it will be 40 years old. And he didn't only allow us to enter his facilities, but he also allowed us to take videos here.
Salamat.
matagal na. Yung nakawala dyan.
Germany ako, nang may benta ako ng mga bagoong. Pero nakuha ko na bis, dagupan lang. Walang ibang ano. Sabi ko dahil sa amin kasi siyempre taga dito. Sa inyo rin po sila.
Oo, pero
Tapos
ang
sila lang
pangalan nila, ang nilalagay.
I see, yeah.
Parang nabindisyonan itong bayan namin ng kaya tinatawag ng niya na yung World Best Bagoong ng Lingayen.
That was my question. I even understood that you had a similar question because they say Lingayen has the world best bagoong.
Yeah.
Why that is, that would have been my question. Probably you already answered, but can you say it in English?
In English, there's a climate in Lingayen to be a good product bagoong.
What is special about the climate here?
Maybe because of the salty.
The salty air.
Yeah, we are in
The fermentation.
the fermentation.
Process is optimized by the climate. Do the temperatures also
temperature.
is also important. I think it's comparatively warm here in Pangasinan, right? Even for the Philippines, especially now until May. Yeah, I experienced last year. I was always laughing when they said summer is coming. Then I said, well, it's always summer. But then now I know what they meant.
May specific po na klase ng isda?
Opo, mayroong bilis, mayroong pinyasi, mayroong pindarong yung tinatawag. Pero yung alaman na ganda.
You are doing what they all do. Hi, and then exactly. No, it's okay. You are good. And you all speak English, huh?
Nasasanay sila sa magastong na sino. Pero nagpapatigas po ng isla. Kami pin.
Thank you, very nice.
Parang parang malaki.
May mga edad po yan na.
Oo, sinusulatan namin yan ng kung kailan namin inasinan.
What are your ways of distribution?
Yung isang
How do you sell it?
May wholesaler, pumupunta sila dito.
by calling the phone, they order there.
Okay, and that is enough customers for you already.
Yeah.
Is that what is that? Restaurants, companies, or what are the biggest customers?
Supermarket.
Supermarket, okay.
Vendor in the town.
Okay.
Any town, Bugalyon, Tarlac, up to Manila.
Different grocery stores, supermarkets.
Bigan. So,
Okay.
Saan yung pinakamalaki?
Ah,
ito patis po ito.
Patisi. Ayan yung patisi. Very salt.
It's very hot, so the salt is in the
Yeah. Parang ice cubes.
that already has a color.
That is the patis.
Yeah.
That we use for sausaw.
Siya pa nga. Ayan.
Very good.
Amoy nyo daw, guys.
Bango talaga.
Actually, hindi pa pala. Amoy na po. Bango.
Tapos,
Meron pa uwi mama.
ito po yung ginagawa naming boneless, yung laman niya.
Oh, they come off, huh?
Ayan.
They will be gone.
Salt as corn.
Ayan po yung isasalain nyo, sir.
Yeah.
Do you don't export?
No, they're not export.
But are
Local.
there others who do?
Yeah, they do export.
Okay.
The one who bought wholesale from there.
Gusto ko ng local lang kasi hindi bilis.
So mga ilang ano na po yan, sir? Mga ilang 1 year na siguro.
1 year na.
Very
Kasi
sarap, mabango.
bilis, yan ang laman-laman niya. Dalagang bukid, parang tirong siya. Tirong.
Ng bagoong daw
Yeah,
na
sumasarap. Mas bumabango po. Kaya pagka konti yung stock mo, hindi ka pwedeng mag-battle ng ganyan na marami. Kasi pag makina, maraming mawawala ng trabaho.
Opo, totoo yan.
Kasi pwede rin kaming gumawa ng makina, battling. Yan na po, pagkakarga na yan.
You're
Yan
helping
na
the
po.
locals.
Ayan. So, deliver.
Yeah, and it's all done by hand still.
Yeah.
No
Yeah.
machine.
Yeah, that's
But the
right.
people have work.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the
They have,
reason.
have work.
That's why they do that.
Maybe ganun na tayo pinag-gastos mo kasi ang dami ko natutunan.
Mayroon kaming lagay ng puti, mayroon din kaming plastic. This is a plastic copy.
Okay.
But I have a name tag. And
I see. Ah, okay.
dinala yung cashier ko.
And you still have big families. So there's always somebody that's all not in my country. They all cannot find a successor. Then they are my age. I'm also already 62. They work until maybe 65, 70, and then they have to give it up because nobody wants to do it anymore. Whatever it is, every kind of, electrician or everything. Yeah.
Dito na.
Yan yung ginigisa niya.
Tapos, ginigisa, mayroon din kaming ginigisa. Sa pisil ko lang na ganyan, alam ko na kung anong grado na kasi.
Wow.
Ano kayo sir? Ano?
Na-expert ko na lahat. Kahit na nag-aral ako ng ibang country. Dito ako na.
I still have an important question that I almost forgot. Where does the fish and the seafood come from?
From Bataan, from Bicol.
So not from here.
There is this one
Okay.
in our
From the Gulf of Lingayen.
Gulf of Lingayen.
I see.
Yeah.
But not everything.
Not-
You have quite a camera here. But that's not easy to carry all the time.
1985. Ya, may mangita ka pa bagong daya kung balanda. Tayo semput na lang.
So with this gift of 2 bottles, one Bagoong, one Patis, this tour ended. And so we'll end this video.
We get free from the owner. They're so generous.
Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like the video. Maybe you consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And we also offer channel memberships, so you may join if you like. Have a wonderful time everybody, and see you in the next video. Bye.